A few additional key details on Weibo regarding the upcoming OPPO Find X9 series. The new report suggests we'll see at least 4 phones with a Find X9, Find X9 Plus, Find X9 Pro and Find X9 Ultra. The tipster claims that he has accessed the engineering prototypes of the Find X9 series and identified 3 key changes. The first is that the series will feature a flat OLED panel. The Find X9 will offer a 6.3-inch screen. Find X9 Plus should go up to a 6.59-inch panel, while the X9 Pro and Ultra will get 6.78 displays. All 3 will feature flat AMOLEDs with 1.5K resolution. The Find X9 Plus and Pro are also expected to feature MediaTek's upcoming Dimensity 9500 chipset at the helm, while the Ultra will likely get Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. DCS shares that all 3 Find X9 models will sport triple cameras with a dedicated periscope. The Ultra variant in particular will offer a 200MP telephoto lens alongside a 50MP periscope capable of 10x optical zoom. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.